Unit 1 covers parts of speech, and in this video I'm going to show you in detail the types of lessons that I will upload in this unit. The first lesson covers nouns and articles, including definite and indefinite articles, as well as the rules on masculine versus feminine and singular versus plural nouns and articles. Next are several lessons discussing the different types of pronouns in Spanish. We have subject pronouns, prepositional pronouns, direct object, indirect object and reflexive pronouns, interrogative and relative pronouns, demonstrative, possessive, and indefinite pronouns. We will not discuss verbs in much detail in Unit 1. We will just go over the very basics, such as there being 3 different groups of Spanish verbs, AR, ER, and IR verbs. There are several lessons covering adjectives, including Adjective Agreement, Possessive, Demonstrative, and Relative Adjectives, and Adjective Placement. The lesson on adverbs covers adverb placement, adverbs that end in mente, adverbs of manner, quantity, time, place, and those adverbs that indicate a point of view. The lesson on prepositions covers simple prepositions, and we address the uses of the prepositions a, de, en, the differences between por and para, and con. We also cover compound prepositions. The final lesson of Unit 1 covers conjunctions. We have some common conjunctions in Spanish and subordinating conjunctions. And that sums up the topics that will be covered under Unit 1. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.